Oh, hi. So my next project is going to be a doggy doorbell. I'm going to put a button on the outside of our house and tie it into the house's doorbell so that our dog, Molly, I'll train her to press it when she wants to come back inside. We have a fenced backyard by the pool, and we'll leave her out there. She likes being out there for long periods of time, but sometimes she'll get scared or cold or whatever, and she'll just be waiting and looking super sad by the back door. So we want to give her a way to let us know when she wants to come in. She can let us know to go outside already. We've trained her. We put some door, you can kind of see over there, some bells on the door that she rings when she wants to go outside. So anyway, I wanted a button. I found these things. We have had these around the house for, what did we buy these for? To stick them in closets. You just press it and the light turns on. We don't use them. They're pretty terrible. Anyway, I took it apart, and it's just some springs and a toggle button. Unfortunately, I don't want a toggle button. I want a normal button. So that's why I'm using the @Tiny. Forget the Arduinos here. It's just being used for 5 volts and ground. I was using it as a programmer for the @Tiny, but the code's already on there, so we're good. So the @Tiny is basically just detecting state of the button. If the button state changes, it's going to light up this LED right there for 1 second, or give or take, it's kind of 1 second. And that, in the finished product, that signal is going to go to the doorbell that is in our house. Imagine the light is the doorbell. So how the @Tiny does it is there's just a temporary variable inside of it that is only updated when the button state changes, and when that happens, it also runs a function called doorbell that lights up the light. So let's see it in action. Press the button, 1 second, off. So that's depressed right now. That is on. That is sending signal. It's got the last state though, so we're good. So I press it again, on again. And just for a little demo of how this should all go together. How should it all go together? Maybe I'll do it like this. I'm going to put the thing in here. Camera goes all over the place. And like that. So, it's got a nice big button for Molly to press, and all she has to do is smush her nose on there, and it'll ring the doorbell. And that's about it. All I really have to do left is the interesting part is going to be getting, the doorbell is in the kitchen over that way. So I'm going to have to get power to it to begin with. I'll need a 5-volt regulator, get it down in there, and have it going outside and caulk all around it so it's nice and weather resistant, but then also running the low voltage up and over to the doorbell. I don't really want to waste any wireless chips on it because I'm using them all for my haunted house project, but there you go. Doggy doorbell!